Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Opportunity Scholar, and if this is your first time, I teach everything you need to know about publishing ebooks, creating digital products, using AI tools, building online income streams, and making the most of platforms like Google Play Books. In today's video, I'm going to show you something that many people have been asking me about. If you've been trying to create a Google Play Book publisher account and you've discovered that your local phone number isn't accepted, or you're looking for a safe way to create a foreign Gmail account that works for international services, then this video is exactly what you need. One thing I've noticed is that many beginners give up halfway through the account creation process because they don't have access to a foreign phone number. Some even end up paying strangers online for accounts that may be unsafe or even stolen, while others spend money on services that don't even work. The good news is that there are legitimate method and trusted services that can help you complete the verification process. So in this tutorial, I will explain everything step by step so that even if you've never done this before, you'll be able to follow along without getting confused. I'll also share important tips that can help you avoid common mistakes that lead to account verification problems or account suspensions. These are the same kind of issues that prevent many people from successfully publishing their ebooks or accessing international digital publishing platforms. So whether you're an author or a self-publisher or a freelancer, or even someone who wants to start making money online by selling ebooks on Google Play Book, stay with me to the end of this video because every step in this tutorial is important. By the end of this video, you also understand how to obtain a foreign phone number using a reliable online services, and how to create a foreign Gmail without any issues, and the best practices to reduce verification problems. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel to grow. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any of my updates on Google Play Books or ebook publishing or even AI tools, blogging and other online business opportunities. I always upload practical tutorials regularly, and my goal is to save you time by showing you methods that are easy to follow and are based on real experience. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial, and I will show you exactly how to get started. The first method is a platform called Virtual Web Phone. Okay, as you can see it on my screen, Virtual Web Phone. All you have to do is go to this platform, select the country phone number you want. Once you select the country phone number you want, you go to your Google or your Gmail. If you're using a mobile phone, you can go to your Gmail app. Then if you're using a PC, just go to your profile. You can see it on my screen, your profile. Once you go to your profile, you click on it. Once you click your profile, you tap manage your Google account. From there, you'll be able to create a new Gmail. Okay, now in this part, you still click on your profile. When you click on your profile, you can see where it says add a new account. So once it opens, instead of you putting an already existing email that you have, just click on create account. So once you create your account, you put your name, put your last name. Okay, let me put my name for example. So then you click next. Once you click next, you choose your date of birth and your year of birth. Now you choose your gender. Okay, and if you don't want to choose your gender, you can just put custom or rather not say. Then you click next. Now it will ask you to choose a username. Okay, so once you choose a username, the next thing it will ask you is to verify your phone number. Okay, so in the part where it says verify your phone number, you go here, you copy any phone number you want. Let's choose this for example. So So you can see the last time this phone number received a code is 3 minutes ago. That means this number is still active. Okay, all you just have to do is to copy this number, go back to your Google. After you've chosen your username, you put your password. Once you put your password, it will ask you to confirm your phone number. Then you place the phone number which you got from that platform. After that, Google will send a code. Once Google send a code, you go back to this platform, ensure that you refresh for new code. Okay, now once you get the code, you place it, you give it to Google, and Google is going to verify it. Then you have US phone number. But please, once you are doing this thing, ensure you turn on your VPN. All right, ensure you turn on your VPN. You can see I have my VPN here. Turn it on when you are doing it. Okay, now that is it for the first method. I'm going to show you the second method, how you can access your Google Play Book account freely without any restriction. In fact, this method you don't even need a phone number. All right, so let's quickly go into the second method now. Now the second method is using incognito mode. Okay, if you're using a phone, just go to your profile, you click on the three dots, you will see incognito. This is a new incognito window. Now you have to click on the new incognito window. So in your incognito mode, you search for Winscribe. Please don't confuse yourself. Do not search for Winscribe extension. Only search for Winscribe. Now it's going to bring you to this part of their platform. So what you will do is to download the Winscribe. So if you don't have it as a browser, you download it. But to my own self, I already have it as a browser. So once you download the Winscribe, you turn it on, choose the country that you want. Once you've choose the country that you want, then you can use it to access Google Play Book Partner Center or Google Play Book. Okay, so whatever you want to do, if you want to search for the name you want to use to open your account, or you want to search for the particular book you want to create to be sure that the title of the book have not existed before, then you can be able to do it. Don't forget, don't search for Google or don't search for Winscribe extension. You have to search for Winscribe, and it's going to bring you straight to their platform. This is their platform. When you click on it, it's going to load. You can see their platform now. It will bring it directly to the platform where it says download Winscribe. So when you download it, it will be in form of a browser in your PC. All right, so but the first method, you have to install it as an extension. Okay, the first method, you should search for Winscribe extension. Okay, but the second method, do not search for Winscribe extension, just search for Winscribe, and it will bring it to their platform. Then you download it. So once you download it, it will be in form of a browser for you. You turn it on, choose the country you want. Then once you choose the country you want, then you can open your incognito mode, then access your Google Play Book Partner Center. All right, so that will be all on how to get a foreign Gmail, or how to create a foreign Gmail that you can use for Google Play Book. I hope this tutorial helps you. So I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.